Hey everyone, this week we have something very exciting to talk about. Wondershare Filmora just released its latest update and it is a game changer. You can now generate royalty-free music powered by AI and translate your audio in different languages. In this video, we will see how these features work. Download Filmora for free and enjoy multilingual magic with Filmora using AI. Check the first link in the description. Alright, let's start with generating some AI music first. Let's dive into using Wondershare Filmora's AI audio feature. First, open up Filmora and head to the audio section. Look for the AI music option and give it a click. Once you have clicked, hit start and a new window will appear. Here you can choose the mood, theme or genre for your audio. For example, I'm going with a blog vibe and a pop style. You can set the duration up to 5 minutes, but I'm sticking with 30-second audio. And I will get 6 tracks generated. Hit start and Filmora will create individual audio files for you in a few seconds. You can play each track by clicking on the play icon right on the audio. If you don't like the particular track, you can change the style and regenerate. Let's switch from pop to hip hop and generate some new tracks. Once they are ready, you can listen to them and choose the ones you like. These tracks are commercially available. Well, I like this one, so I'm going to use it. You can play with the options and choose the one which you like. Once you have found the perfect track, simply click on the download icon and add it to your project. Easy, right? Now let's explore how to use Filmora's speech-to-text and multilingual speech feature. Let's walk through translating our audio into different language. Translating audio into different language can help you talk to more people. It can make more people interested in what you are saying, make them like your stuff more, and show that you care about different cultures. First, let's play this audio we want to translate. So this is the audio which I'm going to translate into a different language. Let's see how it works. To start the conversion, select your audio file and click on the arrow icon. Choose AI translation from the menu that appears. A new window will appear with two options, translate voice and text and translate text only. I'm going to translate voice and text. Select the source language, the language of the original audio, and then choose the target language, the language you want to translate into. There are many language options available. Let's pick German for the first translation. Click on translate and wait a moment for the process to finish. Once it is done, let's mute the original file and play the translated version.
Das ist Audio. Ich möchte in eine andere Sprache übersetzen. Guten Tag.
One thing you may notice, it is keeping my original voice for the translation. You can repeat these steps to translate your audio into different languages. Let's try another one. Select your audio again. Click on the arrow and choose AI translation. This time, let's choose Hindi as the target language. Click on translate and wait for the translation to complete. Once it's finished, mute the original audio and play the translated version. And there you have it.
मैं इसे दूसरी भाषा में अनुवाद करना चाहता हूँ.
That's how you translate your audio into different language. Keep in mind that since this process is powered by AI, there might be some errors in the translations. But don't worry, you can always edit the translated text if needed. Let's now explore how to use speech-to-text translation. Start by selecting your audio file, then click on the arrow icon and choose speech to text. In the window that appears, pick the language of the audio and then select the language you want to translate it into. There are lots of language options available. Let's go with the German this time. You will see the option to convert the entire clip or just a selection. I will choose clip selection since we are only translating this part. You also have option for how the output appears on the timeline. I will stick with SRT, click OK and wait a bit for the speech to translate it into text. Once it's done, you can see the translation in real time as you play the audio. So this is the audio which I'm going to translate into a different language. Let's see how it works. If you need to make any changes, just select the subtitle files you want to edit. I will edit the English subtitle by double clicking on it. You can adjust the design as well. For example, I will add a background color and tweak the font size and shadow settings. Once you are happy with the changes, you can apply them to all the subtitles by saving the settings as a preset and then clicking apply to all. Now let's save and apply the same preset to the German translation as well. Adjustments can also be made to individual subtitles position. And that's it for today. You can download Filmora for free and try out these features yourself. Also, check out the Wondershare Virbo and Filmora for creating AI videos to win big. Check the first link in the description for more details.